Hi, have a good day. I'm Arnel Morales Bisca, looking for a job as a Amazon product researcher. I'm familiarized using Kipa, Seller Amp, and Helium 10. I don't have experience yet, but it does not mean I'm zero knowledge in product sourcing. I enrolled, trained, and complete online course called Amazon Seller BA Masterclass, and I have a certificate of completion. And also, I'm continuous learning by watching YouTube tutorial of different product sourcings and different tools. My favorite method of sourcing is storefront stocking, and the category is toys. Basic criteria are $3 profit, 30% margin, no Amazon seller, 150,000 below BSR, 30 sales per month. But still, it's depend on the client criteria. My tools is Huawei laptop, 16 GB of RAM, i5. Okay, this is my laptop. Wi-Fi connection is Converge. Backup data Wi-Fi is Dito prepaid Wi-Fi. I hope you will consider my application and give